Claim your Amazon reimbursements before it's too late. Amazon have changed things up again. And if you've been selling on Amazon for a while, you will know the only thing guaranteed on Amazon is change. Now, you may or may not have heard that Amazon has drastically shifted the game when it comes to reimbursements. But don't worry, if you haven't, I've got you covered. And make sure you stick around to the end where I will show you how to get FBA refunds and reimbursements done for you. If you're new here, I'm Ricky and I've been selling on Amazon for over 8 years. If you want to stay up to date with everything Amazon related, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So let's go get your money back. The amount of time you have to claim your money back has been extended. Hello?
Hello, Ricky. For
What's
the
that?
record, time of claims is
Oh,
not extended. It's
okay.
been reduced.
Oh,
Change
really?
that info.
Okay, I'll let them know. Okay, the amount of time you have to claim your money back has not been extended. It's been reduced a lot.
Triple kill!
Joking aside, Amazon recently updated the timeframes for submitting FBA reimbursement claims. Now, what's FBA, you may be asking, is fulfilled by Amazon. Basically, Amazon handles all logistics and all the customer service for you. Here's a summary of the current claims window for you. The 4 main reimbursement claims that you can make: fulfillment center operations claims, FBA customer returns claims, shipment to Amazon claims, and removal claims. Let's break it down. Fulfillment center operations claims, basically anything that happens in the Amazon warehouses. Now, the previous window was 18 months from the date of loss or damage. The current window, 60 days. From 18 months to 60 days. Yeah, cheers Amazon. Next is FBA returns claims. Previous window was 60 days to 18 months after the refund or replacement date, and the current window is 60 days to 120 days. From 18 months to basically 4 months. Ouch. Next is shipment to Amazon claims. Now, the previous window was 9 months from the shipment delivery date, and the current window, no change, still 9 months. And the last one, removals claims. Now, the previous window was 18 months again from the removal date, and the current window is still 18 months, so no change there. Now, these changes took effect on November the 1st, 2024. And Amazon say that they aim to streamline the reimbursement process and encourage timely claim submissions. We'll see about that. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you something at the end that's going to handle 3 types of these reimbursements pretty much on autopilot. So stick around, you won't be disappointed. So let's look quickly at how Amazon calculates these reimbursements. Now, Amazon bases reimbursements on the item's median sale price over the last 18 months, the current sale price, and the competitor price, minus any referral or fulfillment fees. Now, how do you actually claim these reimbursements? Amazon says they're now going to proactively reimburse you. Great. But let's be real, if they miss reimbursements, who's going to benefit? Not you, not me. Now, you can check for reimbursements manually, and here's the process. Okay, so we're going to have to go to reports, and we go here, reports, and then we're going to click on fulfillment by Amazon. That's going to bring you to this page, and then you're going to come here to inventory ledger, click here, and that's going to bring you here. If you click on download, then click on detail view, and then we can click here to go to adjustments. Okay, so they've put about 6 reports into one here, but you can just filter out exactly what you need. So you want adjustments, and then you're just going to come and select your date range. So if you want to select 30 days, 90 days, for example, it depends what you are looking to claim. And that's going to bring you up a report that looks a little something like this. So what you want to take is your reference ID. So anything, these are warehouse damage, you can basically take these reference IDs, and then you can come here to FBA inventory reimbursements. And this has got the submit your claim button here. It takes you down to this one at the bottom. Basically, paste all of your reference IDs into here and then click on next. And that's going to show you if any of these products are eligible for investigation. And then here you got shipment to Amazon claims. And this is when it becomes so important to keep all your documentation in order to make sure you've got everything you need when it comes to opening a case. And then here we've got removals claims. So you can come down to the bottom here and then you can submit your order ID and then see if you're eligible for reimbursements. And then lastly, we've got FBA customer returns claims. You can enter in your order ID to see if you're eligible for any reimbursements. And don't worry if you missed any of that, I'm giving you a free guide if you want to go through the manual claims process. Check out the link in the description down below to download that guide. On our team, we have one person that takes care of everything Seller Central, and she deals with all of the reimbursement cases manually. Now, she claims over €1,000 every single month, but even so, still some get missed. For those of you who are thinking, how am I going to be able to do all of this manually? I've got a solution for you. TrueOps. Now, as well as having a really cool name, they've been clawing back money for us over the past 3 months, mostly on autopilot. And here's why TrueOps stand out. Onboarding takes 3 minutes and the first audits are ready in about an hour, while other providers normally take weeks. The customer service is top notch, with responses normally in under 5 minutes. The fees are only 10% of recovered funds, now as compared to about 25% of the industry standard. Automatic fee reversals if there's a chargeback, and continuous audit technology. Now this checks data up to 3 times a day. In just 3 months, they've recovered over $300 that we would have missed. And remember, we have a full-time team member that takes care of all these reimbursements manually. And they only charge 10% of what they recover. So if they don't recover anything, you pay nothing. No contracts, no risk. It's that simple. Use my link below with the code JOIN1K to get up to $1,000 worth of free reimbursements. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and check out one of these videos here or here. Make sure you get my free guide if you're going to do this yourself manually. And make sure, if you're going to try TrueOps, use my link below so you can get up to $1,000 of free reimbursements. Who doesn't like free? And I'll see you in the next one.